This is question 12 on problem solving from the 2009 TSA. So we're told that Ionaise lives at the bottom of a steep hill, that's point A, and his post office is at the top, that's point B. And his walking speed uphill is 2 kilometers an hour and downhill is 4 kilometers an hour. And if the round trip to the post office and back takes 4.5 hours, then what is the distance between A and B, or between his house and the post office? So how can we go about this? Well, we know the whole trip takes 4.5 hours to get from A to B and then back again. Ideally, we want to know how that's split into A going to B and B going to A. And so how can we get that from these speeds? So we can observe that the speed going downhill is twice the speed going uphill. And how do we relate that to the journey time? So the journey uphill takes twice as long as the journey downhill. And what does that mean for this 4.5 hours? That it's split into 2 parts going uphill and 1 part going downhill. Now, how long is each one of these parts? So there are 3 parts in total, making up 4.5. 4.5 divided by 3 is 1.5 hours. So how can we use this? Well, we know how long each part of our journey takes now, because we know uphill takes 2 parts. So 2 times 1.5 is 3 hours. Then the remaining 1 part is the downhill part of the journey. Now, do we have enough information to work out the distance? Well, we know we can relate distance to speed and time. And how do we do that? Well, let's use the uphill bit because it's nicer numbers. So if we go at 2 kilometers an hour for 3 hours, then how many kilometers is that? So distance is speed multiplied by time. So 2 kilometers an hour times 3 hours gives 6 kilometers. And this is our final answer of the distance between A and B. And we get that if we multiply 4 by 1.5 as well. So we know we've done something right. So this corresponds to answer B on the question paper.